Hello nation, hello nation. Hi V Nation. I hope you guys are doing okay. So today I'm doing a DIY video. I'm making a dress out of this big sweater. I love the color. I got this from my hometown. So I'll be using this to make a mini dress, and guys, let me tell you, I didn't expect it to turn out how it did. The dress is so cute. So let's do this. So I have the black dress. I'm using it to illustrate on where to cut and just to create the shape of the dress that I want. So let's get started. Let's do this. I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe, because and like, comment, and share with your friends. And you can also try doing this. It's easy. Imagine you are just using your scissors alone. No sew. You're not sewing anything. Just cutting and tying and tying, like tying and making a difference. So let's start. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing okay. I missed the video. How it's nice. Like, it's nice talking to you guys, because it's just nice. I can't explain it, but I like storytelling. When I'm doing my thing, when I'm doing what I love, and I want to forget that I don't want to start whining here. I didn't come here to whine and start complaining about how life is. No, God has been good. God has been good. Yeah, it's amazing what praise can do, right? Because I hope you guys do. Okay, so I'm done with the shape making using the chalk illustrating. Now I'm just cutting out the excess fabric. So this is what came out. And because I said we are not sewing the dress on the side, I am cutting like 1 inch. This I'm cutting the side 1 inch. These things that look like ruffles. Okay, I'm making something like ruffles on the sides, and then I'll be using them to tie them together. Like I tie one side to the other, just to enclose the sides. Okay, so let's see what we're going to make out of this. But it's going to turn out good. Like, I didn't expect this. Just keep watching, because my scissors was blunt. I've been using them for a while, and I don't know, I keep procrastinating. I keep saying that I'm going to buy a new one, and I don't. I get money, and the money, okay, I use it to buy other things, and I forget again. Anyway, the next time I'm going to buy a new one. The next time I'm making a DIY video, guys, I promise you I'm going to have a new scissors, and a much bigger one that will not be wasting my time. I hope you guys are doing great. Like, I hope you are doing okay with everything going on. Tell you how my fingers were hurt because I was using a lot of things just to see how the sides look now. So we just take one piece, pull to stretch it out. Then we tie it twice. Make sure it stays intact and doesn't unfold. Something like that. So you're doing this until you reach the bottom of the dress. Like you're doing this from top to bottom. Then you do the same for the other side. And guys, I hope you're going to try this because this is the easiest DIY for a dress. It's the easiest and most efficient. Yeah, because this is something I'm obviously I am going to work on. And I think I'm going to make a video on how to style this dress because it was too short, so not like too short, but yeah, for me it was too short. So the next video I'll be making will be how to style it. If you're going to try and make a dress like this one, I will advise that you use a fabric that stretches, like something that stretches a lot because of the time, because you need and then wearing it will be easier because if it stretches, it will fit the body perfectly. So even if to make it like a tube dress, I was so excited by the way. I was really excited. Okay, so when you're done with this side, you do the same thing for the other side. Just tie, make a knot, and make sure you are making the knot for it because you don't want the dress to open up on the sides when you're walking. I'm not going to show you guys, so you see how it turned out. I'm not going to show you how I did the rest of the This is the end result, like I mean, because this is so cute. This is This is beautiful. Seriously. Thank you for watching, guys. Till next time.